Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodine at home. First, gather your materials, including iodine tincture, hydrogen peroxide, and a clean glass container. Ensure you have proper ventilation and wear protective gloves and eyewear before starting any steps. This process involves a simple chemical reaction to isolate elemental iodine. To begin, you'll need a bottle of iodine tincture, typically a 2% solution, and a standard 3% hydrogen peroxide solution. You'll also want a clean glass beaker or jar, a stirring rod, and a coffee filter or cheesecloth. Remember, safety is paramount. Always wear your safety goggles and chemical-resistant gloves to protect your eyes and skin from any splashes. Now, let's get to the exciting part. Carefully measure 100 milliliters of your iodine tincture and pour it into your clean glass container. Next, slowly add about 50 milliliters of the 3% hydrogen peroxide, stirring gently as you pour. You'll notice a dark, solid substance beginning to form and settle at the bottom. This is your elemental iodine precipitating out of the solution. Once the iodine has settled, carefully pour the mixture through a coffee filter or several layers of cheesecloth to separate the solid iodine. Rinse the collected iodine with a small amount of distilled water to purify it further, then spread it out on a clean surface to air dry completely. Remember to store your dried iodine in an airtight, dark container. Also, for more great tips and deals, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.